Hello, welcome. Today I've got another ink sample review for you. This one is by Conklin and it's called Vintage Purple. We're going to go ahead and do a swatch here. This is a very vibrant purple. I hope the camera picks that up. It's really, really bright. I guess not bright like neon, but more just very vibrant, a very bold purple, very I guess when you get maybe like paints or crayons or something and you grab the purple, this is definitely that. It's very pretty. All right, I'm going to go ahead and set this under a fan to dry. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and this is some copy paper. I always like to test the inks out on copy paper because you never know when you're going to be somewhere like work or school and not have access to your nicer papers, and you just want to know if the ink will behave itself. So far this looks all right. Let's go ahead and set it aside to dry, and we'll do the next test on some HP32. And HP32 is also a type of copy paper, but it's smoother, and sometimes the ink will show some special effects on this paper. So I always like to test this one because it is a really nice in-between budget-friendly option. This is HP32. And if there are any colors that you would like to see me review, if you leave a suggestion, and if I have the ink or if I can get it, then we'll do a video. That's how it looks so far on that. So let's let that dry. And this one is Tomoe River. And Tomoe River paper also tends to show off the special properties of the ink really well. So I always like to do a test on this. This is Tomoe River. And if you find these videos helpful at all, or if you just enjoy watching them, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can see more, and it helps me out a lot. Alright, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and put this under the fan to dry and see how the swatch is doing. I'll be right back. Alright, here's how it looks on some copy paper. I don't see any feathering, so that's really good. This is a really pretty purple color, and this is great. If you like purple, you'll more than likely love this color. And then here it is on some HP32 paper. There is a little bit of shading, and this color looks a little bit richer on the HP32 than it does on the copy paper, but either one, it's still very pretty on either paper. And then here it is on the Tomoe River paper, and you could see a little bit of shading through here, and then of course some shading in the writing as well. This is a really pretty purple color. Very, very vibrant and saturated, very nice. And then here it is on the swatch card, and you can see a little bit of the shading better on here. And down on the writing, you can see the shading as well. It looks like there's a tiny bit of feathering right here and here. I don't know what that's from, but there wasn't any in the writing sample, so I'm sure it just has something to do with this swatch card. But it's very pretty. If I can find a link for this, I'll put it down below for you. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.